Good morning and welcome to day 10, the final day of the Making a Minimalist challenge here at Soul Source by Elvira. I don't know what to say. I'm almost going to cry now. I am so proud that you have made it to the end and that I've made it to the end. And if not yet, then soon you will notice what you've created for yourself. So I want you to be proud of yourself, reward yourself in any way for this commitment. So before I get into the final task, I'm going to explain a little bit about who I am because I've been going on here for 10 days and some of you don't even know me. So I'm a holistic life coach and I specialize in minimalism and self-love. So the reason I'm saying this is because after this, if you started to notice things boiling in you, I am offering each and every one of you a free 60-minute discovery call. So I would like to explain a little bit about coaching them because that's what it is about. So it will be a one-to-one session and it will be more about how you can optimize minimalism in every area of your life. And it will be a step-by-step process where we will deal with emotion or sentiment appearing and in every area, but one area at a time. And I will be there to support you and to guide you and to hold you accountable because maybe you haven't been very found it very easy to show up every day and do this, but with a coach there is some manifesting, and just by committing to something with another person and that person checking up on you, it is so much easier. And what I like to do with my clients is I take them on a journey from feeling very overwhelmed to having this sense of peace and clarity. And I want them to be back in the steering wheel of their lives. And a discovery call is it's not a commitment, but it's just a taster. But instead of this challenge, it's more of a unique one. We just go we base it on your life and not this general way. All right, guys. So task one, I told you that this is very, very powerful. So today I want you guys to test out a gratitude journal. So I discovered gratitude a couple of years ago, and I actually signed up to do at least 5 things a day I would list in a journal. And I did this for over a year. And honestly, guys, ah, I, this sounds very pretentious, but I don't see obstacles anymore. I just see myself affirming all these good things in life, and those things, because I'm affirming them, I'm leading more good things into my life. And I find it just so much easier to love myself, to love people and situations. And this has just profoundly made me healthier and more happy. And I'm measuring this for from over 2 years of doing this. And I've also read a lot of science about the health benefits. And I'm not going to go through that now, but you can read up on it if you want to, if you're interested. So I just feel that because of gratitude, I'm now living in complete abundance. And I don't feel anymore, because I used to do that, I don't feel anymore that I have these holes within me to just feel with autopilot, passive, I don't know, crap. So if you haven't done anything else this week, you've just looked at my videos but not committed to anything, just try this 5 things, and preferably every day, but just try it just once a day. 5 things. And if you like it, maybe that's something you can make into your morning routine, because that's what I had before. And yeah, you get it. All right. So task two is to pay someone a gratitude visit. So maybe, or hopefully on your day, someday when you write your gratitude journal, a person will come up that you're super grateful for. So tell that person, go and tell that person. A while ago, I realized that I needed to tell my grandmother how much she means to me and how I appreciate everything she's done for me. So I just sat down and wrote this very heart-opening letter to her. And I didn't tell her or anything. I just sent it. And I think 1 or 2 weeks later, I received one back that was just kind of confirming everything I had thrown at her, and I cried so much. It was very moving, and ah, that was that meant so much to both of us to both give and receive this gratitude. And I find the irony in gratitude is that the more grateful we are for the small things and for our lives, the more good things actually come our way. Yeah, so that was the last task I'm gonna give to you in this challenge, and I'm so up for coaching you for a 60-minute free discovery call, no commitment, and this is my website where you can find a contact sheet where you can get in touch with me, email me. You can also PM me here on Facebook, and I will also write this email in the comments below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for showing up these 10 days with me. Some of you have been here early every single day, like me. This is very early, but from the bottom of my heart, from my minimalist heart, I I'm just so grateful for you guys, and I hope to hear some feedback about this from you and how it's been for you. So most of you have been written in private messages. I appreciate that so much as well. So please tell me what this challenge has done for you because I love feedback, very positive feedback and constructive feedback. But again, thank you, and I can't wait to see what this has done to you. So have an amazing rest of the week, guys. Thank you. Bye.